This POWERTEC Dust Collector Fitting set does an impressive job of pulling chips and fine dust from both the tabletop and the underside of a router, so the work area stays much cleaner with far less sweeping afterward. The combination of rubber intake and foam strips creates a tight seal around the router plate, which helps maintain strong suction and makes the kit adaptable to many different router brands and table setups. Because the kit is designed around standard hose diameters and includes reducers and clamps, it hooks into typical shop vacuums and dust collection systems without a lot of fiddling or extra hardware. The included Y fitting, splice, and 2 different hose lengths make it easy to route airflow exactly where you need it, whether you are enclosing the router cavity or capturing dust right at the fence. Once installed, you can usually change router bits without tearing the whole dust setup apart, which encourages you to actually keep the collection system in place instead of treating it as a hassle. Overall, build quality feels solid for regular woodworking use, and the thoughtful mix of components makes this a practical upgrade for anyone tired of router tables throwing dust all over the shop.